Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the TikTok upload failed error on your phone. Step 1. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 2. Close and reopen TikTok. Swipe up from the bottom of your phone and remove TikTok from recent apps. Then reopen it. This refreshes the app and obtain fixes upload problems. Step 3. Go to the App Store, search for the TikTok and tap Update if available. An outdated version can cause upload issue. Step 4. Open TikTok, tap Profile, tap the three-line icon, choose Setting and Privacy, tap Free of Space, then Clear. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. Step 5. Check video size format. Make sure your video is not too large or in an unsupported format. TikTok works best with MP4 and MOV files under 10 minutes and responsible file size. Step 6. Sometimes a quick reboot fix everything. Press and hold the power button. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds. Turn it back on. Step 7. Open TikTok. Go to Profile. Tap the menu and choose Logout. Then log in again. This reset your account decision. And that's it. Those are the easiest way to fix TikTok upload failed error on your phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.